have eyes on the vehicle.
Alright, copy. Yeah, positive, me too, 10 mics.
November, Juliet 1, Whiskey 49, 10 minute uit.
Ontvang dankie, ja, ek is seker 3 minute uit.
Kilometers 2 mics up. Ek ben maar net, ek sit bekend verkeerd van smokkers op pad. I'm turning left, a few hundred meters out. Copy, yeah, same from my side. I have eyes, I have eyes. He's running, truck is running. Abandoned, truck is running. Okay, kom, is dit op die laaste location?
Okay, truck is running, It's abandoned, the truck is running.
Okay, copy. Is that the last location?
Positive, I can't see anything in the truck. I cannot see anything in the truck. Are you from the company?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, from Siraku. Go on, what's following you? Yes.
Okay. Just when was this hijacked?
R21.
When?
It was 20 past. I think it was 20 past 4.
Today?
Today, yeah.
Like this? Yeah, also. Broke it off. Just take pictures. Die ken ons. Die camera's afgebreek. Ja, vanmorgen sien dit nie. See, they broke the cameras off. Lyk dit my broers?
Good.
Lekker, dankie.
Good.
Dankie. My broer, lekker en jy, dankie. Hallo my Saji, lekker en jy? Dankie.
Wat sê jy?
Lekker en my broer. Dankie.
Wat sê jy?
No, nothing. Load's gone. Mayonnaise.
In 600 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Give me the number to give them. No. This truck is the one that is hijacked.
No, this one is for the criminals. This one belongs to the criminals.
All right.
Yeah, the hijacked one we recovered already.
Okay.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Contact the sniper team for more information.
Welcome to 08. With 08 Firearm Management Software, Response Officer and Firearm Compliance is easy for everyone. You get the features to execute your compliance strategy and ensure your team remain compliant. Whether you are running a small or medium-sized security company, keep your compliance information organized in one place and accessible immediately. Launch information about your team's compliance with just a few clicks and receive automated email alerts ensuring that you don't miss compliance renewal deadlines. Need to view an individual or collective picture of response officer or firearm compliance? No problem. With 08, this information is available at just a few clicks and is securely stored in the cloud. No more paper filing and no more asking for the information, which could take hours or even days to receive. With 08, you can even manage your ammunition stock and movements. Issue firearm permits to your response officers electronically. No more untidy permit books and no more mistakes. Speak to us today to find out how we can streamline your compliance process, or request a free demo, and one of our experienced consultants will gladly assist you. 08. Leaders in firearm management software.